Okay, so today we're going to be using the skid steer to fill up the truck. I'm kind of close to everything. So I'm going to, there we go, that's a little better. Show you guys how to operate this. Kind of a two-hand job, so I'm not going to just show you everything, but you see that bar right there? It comes down like a carnival ride. Close this, bring the bar down, and then we have to start it. Alright, and then we got to turn the traction overload off, and then this is going to make us go forward and backward, side to side. This one is going to raise the bucket if we pull it towards us, lower the bucket if we push it away. Side to side is going to lean the bucket back, forward. Lean the bucket, drop it down. We're going to turn it into rabbit mode. And make sure when you get done, you turn it off back into turtle mode before you turn it off. That's your little tutorial today.